Struggling with oily skin? That midday shine that just seems to melt your makeup away. It's a battle many of us know all too well. You start the day with a flawless face, but by lunchtime it feels like you're wearing an oil slick. It's frustrating, right? You've probably tried dozens of products, from mattifying primers to oil blotting sheets, but nothing seems to offer a lasting solution. What if I told you there's a simple, classic product that could be the game changer you've been searching for? It's not a new, complicated formula. It's translucent setting powder. Let's dive into why this seemingly basic product is a superhero for oily skin. Translucent powder is incredibly finely milled, which means it's lightweight and won't feel heavy or cakey on your skin. Its primary job is to absorb excess oil and lock your makeup in place. Unlike colored powders, it doesn't add any coverage or alter the shade of your foundation, so it's virtually invisible. This means no more worrying about your face looking a different color than your neck. It just mattifies, sets, and smooths everything out, giving you a soft focus, airbrushed finish. The history of face powder is actually fascinating. Its use dates back thousands of years to ancient Egypt, where people used ground minerals to reduce shine and create a pale complexion. Fast forward to the Elizabethan era, where a stark white powdered face was the height of fashion, symbolizing wealth and status. Of course, the formulas back then were often dangerous, containing lead and other harmful ingredients. Thankfully, we've come a long way. The 20th century saw the rise of the modern cosmetics industry, and with it, safer, more refined powders. The concept of a translucent powder, one that sets makeup without adding color, really took off as makeup techniques became more sophisticated, especially with the advent of film and photography. It became a makeup artist's secret weapon for creating a look that would last under hot studio lights without looking heavy or artificial. So, how do you use it correctly for oily skin? The technique is just as important as the product itself. After you've applied your liquid or cream products like foundation and concealer, it's time for the powder. The key is to apply it strategically. Instead of dusting it all over your face with a big, fluffy brush, which can just move the product around, try a technique called baking or pressing. Take a damp makeup sponge or a powder puff, dip it into the translucent powder, and generously press it onto the areas where you get the oilest. This is typically the T-zone, your forehead, the sides of your nose, and your chin. Let it sit or bake for about 5 to 10 minutes. What's happening during this baking process? The heat from your skin helps the powder meld with your foundation and concealer, creating a solid, matte base. The powder is absorbing all the excess oil from your makeup and your skin, effectively locking it down. After the baking time is up, take a clean, fluffy brush and gently sweep away the excess powder. You'll be left with an incredibly smooth, matte and budge-proof finish. This technique is especially brilliant for preventing concealer from creasing under your eyes. Just a light press of powder in that area can make a world of difference. For daily wear, you might not need to do a full bake. A simpler method is to use a powder puff and gently press the powder into your skin. The pressing motion is crucial. It ensures the powder adheres to the skin and absorbs oil, rather than just sitting on top. Focus on your T-zone and any other areas prone to shine. This method gives you that same oil-controlling benefit without the intensity of baking, making it perfect for a natural, everyday look. You can also carry a small container of pressed translucent powder and a puff with you for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Instead of piling on more foundation, a simple press of powder will soak up any new oil and refresh your makeup instantly. Now, let's talk about choosing the right translucent powder. While they are all translucent, they can have slightly different finishes. Some are completely matte, while others might have a subtle, soft focus or satin finish. For very oily skin, a fully matte formula is usually the best choice. Look for powders that are finely milled and talc-free if you have sensitive skin, as talc can sometimes be irritating. Many brands now offer HD or high-definition powders, which are exceptionally fine and designed to be invisible even under the harshest lighting and on camera. These are fantastic options because they blur imperfections and give the skin a perfected filter-like appearance without any flashback in photos. So, if you're tired of your makeup sliding off by noon, it's time to embrace the power of translucent powder. It's a simple, effective, and time-tested solution for controlling oil and keeping your makeup looking fresh all day. Whether you choose to bake for a full glam look or simply press and go for everyday wear, this versatile product deserves a permanent spot in your makeup bag. It's the secret to a flawless, long-lasting, and shine-free complexion. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your makeup routine. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it.